Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.